Very good evening, friends and traders. I'm Nalakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Today, it was a delight for option buyers. After so many days, writers have been snubbed, and option buyers had a very good chance to make money. The market was with high volatile and call option 24,500 call option from 122 to it ran up to 400 rupees. 400 rupees and then finally it closed little bit lesser. That is a different question. If anybody would have caught this early move in the morning, you can see the 5-minute strategy worked very well. The first 5 minutes was a red candle, and this is equal amount reversal bar. That is showing strength in the market, and the breakdown of that level caused the movement towards the upside. And later market went through consolidation, and the pre-market open was around 24,690. So market came down to the pre-market level, pre-market settlement level, and then it rallied very hard. Rallied up to the level of 24,000. If I place the cursor, you can see there 24,899.85. This is the high made 24,889, and the high made is 24,899. You must see that. So all these writers stop losses, they had been hunted, and market started after hunting this liquidity, market started coming down. Finally, it has closed around 24,761. And the current VIX is 15.08, and based on the VIX levels, 24,946 and 24,555 forms the boundary for tomorrow's trade. And the weekly level, low level is 24,232, and weekly high level is 25,269. You need to mark down. Tomorrow, what can happen is market has rallied 2 levels, 2 legs up. If you just see from here, you can consider it as a continuous up move. Though it was not evident, already people had started accumulating on the previous day itself. It was very hard to trade on yesterday. It was very choppy. So in this choppy market, they accumulated the smart money, accumulated all the call option, and there was a huge movement in the market. Suppose if we see this measurement, the high has been trapped, this high has been trapped, and this high has been trapped. So even with a slight difference, 889 to 899, 10 points difference, that is a liquidity sweep. So what can happen tomorrow is initial stage. If there is a block over here and point of control is around 24,809. Suppose initial movement, since it has closed around 24,750, any up move that is around 50 to 60 points can lead to down move. The measured move, what we can anticipate is this measured move we can anticipate. From here, we can anticipate this measured move downwards. 24,636 we can anticipate in the market. So the correction probably tomorrow in the opening bell, it can open higher and then it can starts trading lower. And the point of control is here, and point of control as well as value area high and value area low are placed around 24,616 to 24,612. So this is the area you can anticipate for some sort of reversal. Market may open higher and come down, and you may see some sort of reversal. We need to see what sort of close will be there. The closing on the Friday is very, very important, because if the market closes higher, if it closes lower, then the continuation of the down move can start in the market. So Friday's close is very important. That will be the weekly close. So you need to trade. Probably tomorrow also you may get a very good trade. Around 200 points range you can get in the market. So if you trade with the very caution, if your entry is precise, you can make money in the market. So there is another leg of down move you can see in the market in the initial stage. So mark down the levels for tomorrow. All these levels, VIX levels, 24,946 and 24,558. This is the VIX level marked, and the weekly level is 24,232 and 25,269. These are the levels for tomorrow, and I wish you all to trade cautiously, because you have to, before trading anything, you need to mark the previous day low and previous day high. Suppose if it breaches the previous day low and if it starts moving down, the market can go down. This is the previous day low. That means today's low, 24,613, is very, very important. And previous day, this is the high for the tomorrow, 24,899. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.